Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is reluctant. Let's learn what it means. Reluctant means unwilling or hesitant to do something. A reluctant person is not fully comfortable or eager about a decision or action. Here's an example. He was reluctant to speak in front of the audience because he felt nervous. This means he hesitated because he was not fully confident about speaking publicly. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word reluctant? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!